Okay, this video is going to be for those kids who have already learned how to make their upper and lowercase letters and are moving towards being able to make those letters into words and sentences. Typically, kids still struggle a bit with being able to write sentences on their own, even if they know how to make the letters, because again, they're having to think about making the letters while also making words. And so what I usually like to do is start kids with copying off of a model of a sentence. And this happens to be my favorite sentence for practicing because it has all 26 letters of the alphabet in the sentence. So it gives them a chance to really practice their letter formation while also making sentences. So I've given two different examples here. This top sentence is sort of the first step in being able to copy a sentence, because you basically have an example of the sentence here and they just have to make their letters right underneath each letter. So they're not having to do quite as much visual work as they're working on copying. So this would be sort of the stage one skill of kids being able to copy directly from a model. Then this next sentence has the entire sentence written out, and then they copy underneath. And so they're having to keep track a little bit more of where they are within the sentence. And so for those kids who struggle with being able to keep track of where they are in their sentence, one thing that I will recommend that they do is after they write a letter, say they've written the letter A here, then they can just put a dot right up by the A so they know they've done that letter. And then they can move to the next letter and make their Q and then make a dot up here so they know they've done that letter. So for kiddos who are really working on still being able to copy from a model, these are the two sort of sentences and strategies that we use to help them to be able to do their work.